Hello, Facebook and YouTube. This is the next installment on the trailer project. Let me show you what we're doing. Okay, so that's the hitch receiver part. It's a 1 7/8 and it's all rusty. I had a really hard time getting it to close and everything. So I have a new 2-inch one, or maybe it's another 1 7/8. I forget. Yeah, another 1 7/8. I didn't feel like spending the extra $5. So it's the same one. It's a lightweight duty one. So I'm going to go ahead and replace that. Put it right there. You'll notice this has a really long extension on it. It was for kayaks, but I'm also being told that it makes it much easier to back up the trailer, so I'm going to leave it long. I'm not very good at backing up trailers anyway, so it doesn't matter to me. Okay, I sprayed some WD-40 on those all around, so let's see, hopefully it makes them reusable, and we'll see what happens. Okay. Might be wasted. On that. Okay, got the old one off. Gonna clean that up a little bit, spray a little bit of paint on it. Go to the next step. Okay, that's about as cleaned up as I'm going to get it, so let me make a little bit of room. Get stuff out of the way from overspray. Change my gloves. A little bit of black paint on there. Okay, so let me show you the problem here. Okay, you see that screw right, that hole right there? You put a nut and a bolt through it to hold the chains on. Now look at its orientation to one of the through bolts that goes through this and through the 2.5-inch square piece. Now that's on the old one. Here's the new one. Check out that orientation, it's right above it. So the threaded portion of the bolt going down blocks it. So I'm gonna have to reorient the nut and the bolt. Okay, well the other one didn't fit at all. So this one, just cleaned it up, sprayed a bunch of WD-40 on it. It's just ugly, but it's the one I'm using. Okay.